Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PS5 controller to Android tablet, quick method step by step clearly. To connect your PS5 controller to an Android tablet, start by ensuring your controller is fully charged. Turn on your Android tablet and unlock it. Next, locate the Bluetooth settings on your tablet. Open the settings menu and find the Bluetooth option. Tap on Bluetooth to enter the Bluetooth settings. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Now, take your PS5 controller. Press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button at the same time. The Create button is located to the left of the touchpad. Keep holding these buttons until the light bar starts flashing. Go back to your tablet's Bluetooth settings. Wait for the controller to appear in the list of available devices. Once you see the controller listed, tap on it to initiate the pairing. After a moment, the light on your controller should stabilize. This indicates that the controller is successfully connected to your tablet. You can now use your PS5 controller for gaming on your Android tablet. If you experience any issues, try turning Bluetooth off and back on again. You may also need to restart your tablet. This simple method allows for a seamless gaming experience on your Android device. Enjoy your gaming session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.